Google just bought Galileo AI, and most people are missing what this actually means for anyone who wants to offer design services without being a designer. This is not about making websites prettier. This is about showing local business owners exactly what their current site is costing them, then presenting a professional alternative they will pay you to build, and the entire workflow runs on tools Google either owns or gives you for free. I am Paul James, and I help people turn AI tools into real business leverage. I started my business from my brother's garage with no budget and no connections, just resourcefulness. Tools like this are the exact leverage I wish I had back then. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I will not try and sell you Go High Level, because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here is the problem nobody talks about. Every local business owner knows their website is not performing. They see competitors with cleaner designs, faster load times, better mobile experiences, but hiring a designer costs $3,000 to $10,000, and most small business owners do not have that budget sitting around. So they do nothing. Their site stays outdated, they lose customers to competitors, and they keep telling themselves they will fix it someday. You do not need to be a designer to solve this problem for them. You just need to show them what they are missing and give them a professional alternative. That is where Google's Galileo AI comes in. Here is what makes this different. Galileo AI is not just another design tool Google acquired, it is the final piece in a complete design intelligence stack. You already have Gemini for analyzing websites and identifying problems. You already have Google AI Studio for building custom workflows. Now you have Galileo AI for generating professional user interface designs in seconds. The entire ecosystem is either free or costs less than $20 a month. This creates what I call the mirror and upgrade method. You mirror their current website to show them what is broken. You upgrade it using Galileo AI to show them what is possible. Then you present both as a professional audit they pay you for. Let me break down how this works. You find a local business with an outdated website. Hair salon, fitness studio, contractor, real estate agent, it does not matter. You screenshot their homepage, you drop it into Gemini and ask it to analyze user experience issues, design problems, and conversion blockers. Gemini gives you a detailed breakdown in about 30 seconds. Now you have their problems documented. Most people stop here and just send the audit. That is a mistake. You need to show them the solution, not just the problem. This is where Galileo AI becomes your leverage multiplier. You open Galileo AI and describe the type of website this business actually needs. Modern fitness studio homepage with class scheduling integration, before and after gallery, and mobile-first design. Galileo generates a professional interface mockup in under a minute. You can iterate on it, adjust colors, modify layouts, regenerate sections. You are not coding. You are not designing from scratch. You are directing an AI that understands professional design principles better than most junior designers. Here is where things get wild. You now have a before and after package. Their current site with documented problems, a professional redesign showing exactly what they could have. This is not a sales pitch. This is a visual audit that makes the decision obvious. Most people never realize this part. The audit itself is the service businesses pay for. You are not promising to build the site yet. You are showing them what is possible and why their current site is underperforming. That audit is worth $500 to $800 to a business owner who has been losing customers to competitors. Stay with me, because this next piece is huge. Once they see the audit, they will ask you to build it. This is not a hard close. This is a natural progression. You have already shown them the problem. You have already shown them the solution. They just need you to implement it. That implementation is where the real client payment comes in. Building out the actual website using the Galileo AI mockup as your blueprint, integrating it with their booking system or contact forms, making it mobile responsive. That is a $1,000 to $2,000 project, and you are using AI tools to do the heavy lifting while you focus on client communication and project management. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. The technical side felt impossible without a design background. But here's what I learned. Clients do not care if you used AI to generate the mockup. They care that their website looks professional, loads fast, and helps them book more customers. Here's the angle most tutorials never touch. You are not just selling website redesigns, you are selling business growth tools. A fitness studio that gets 5 more class bookings per month. because their site is easier to navigate, just paid for your entire project in week 1. A contractor who gets 3 more quote requests because their mobile site actually works just made back their investment immediately. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Let me give you a real example of how this plays out. Imagine you find a wedding photographer in Austin with a beautiful portfolio but a website that looks like it was built in 2015. You screenshot the homepage, you run it through Gemini. Gemini identifies slow load times, poor mobile experience, no clear call to action, and a gallery that does not showcase their work effectively. You open Galileo AI and describe what they actually need. Elegant wedding photography portfolio with full-screen image galleries, streamlined contact form, and mobile-optimized viewing experience. Galileo generates 3 different mock-up options. You pick the best one, refine a few elements, and export the designs. You email the photographer with a simple message. I noticed your portfolio is incredible, but your website might be costing you bookings. I put together a quick audit showing what could be improved. No obligation, just thought you would want to see it. They open the audit, they see their current site with every problem clearly documented. Then they see the Galileo generated alternative that makes their work look like it belongs in a magazine. They email back within an hour asking what it would cost to make that happen. That is the mirror and upgrade method in action. You did not promise them anything. You showed them a professional service they can pay for. The audit itself has value. The implementation has even more value. Here's the twist almost nobody talks about. Google owning Galileo AI means this tool will only get better and more integrated with the rest of their ecosystem. You are building a business model on a foundation that is actively improving. 6 months from now, Galileo might integrate directly with Google Sites or Google AI Studio. A year from now, it might have built-in analytics or conversion optimization features. You are not just learning a tool, you are positioning yourself inside an ecosystem that Google is actively investing in. Picture how much easier client acquisition becomes once this becomes your normal workflow. You are not cold calling, you are not begging for work, you are presenting valuable audits to businesses that already know they need help. Some will hire you for the full build, some will just pay for the audit. Either way, you are offering legitimate services that solve real problems. Imagine what your next 30 days look like after mastering this. You identify 10 local businesses with outdated websites. You create mirror and upgrade audits for 5 of them. 2 hire you for the full redesign at $1,500 each. 1 just wants the audit for $600. That is $4,200 in client payments, and you have not written a single line of code or created a design from scratch. The businesses you work with see real results. Better mobile experiences, clearer calls to action, professional layouts that match their brand. They refer you to other business owners. Your pipeline fills up with inbound requests instead of outbound hustle. This is not theoretical. This is how service businesses scale using AI leverage. You are not replacing designers. You are becoming the bridge between business owners who need professional design and AI tools that can deliver it. Your value is in the strategy, the communication, the implementation, and the results you deliver. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I will not try and sell you go high level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.